Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with SWATCHING. Today I'm going to be unboxing another Orly color pass for the holiday 2020 collection. Of course, Orly is just one of those boxes where you just, you get excited for the different color arrays. So let's just hop right in and see what we have this month. So this is how the box looks on the inside. Next, it comes with the Argan Oil Cuticle Oil Drops. The exciting colors that we get. Of course, they're 12-free, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made in the USA. So, let's get an up close of these shades. Okay, and let's just hop right into swatching them. So this is my natural nail. This video is just so that you guys can see how the shades show up on someone that's my complexion. If you want to like a complexion reference in Maybelline, I usually wear a 330 or a 336. In MAC, I believe I'm a NC 45, sometimes an NC 50, depending on my red undertones. So I just have a clear base coat, similar formula, not the same brand, but it is vegan friendly as well. Okay, so I'm going in with the first shade. This is called Opulent Obsession. This reminds me of one of the shades in the Desert Muse collection. It is a nice maroon, deep maroon plum color. I love the brushes on the Orly. They're so wide. Oh, this is like a nice Merlot. I'm just gonna get some of that excess polish off of my brush. Okay, this is one shade. I'm gonna go in with this. This is really pretty. This reminds me of like a rose gold champagne color. This is called Inexhaustible Charm. And again, this is gonna just be one shade, and then I'm gonna go back and show you guys what the double or the 2 layers of lacquer looks like. Okay, me personally, I'm not a fan of shimmer polish. It's either childish or else it adds age to my nails, and I don't want to be neither. So this is going to be a second shimmer in the collection. This is more of a white gold. This definitely gives me New Year's / Christmas vibes. This shade is called Untouchable Decadence. I love these names that they came up with. So, and another thing about Orly is that their handles, this rubberized handle is comfortable. So if you're a tight gripper like me when it comes down to polishing, it'll be very easy for you and you will not get any cramps. So excuse my cuticles, I definitely did not trim them before I started this video. This is more so what my nails look like on a regular basis. And you know, just how you walk out the house sometimes, just regular. So I think that out of the colors in here, this might be my favorite color. It's more emerald with the shimmer, and you can just kind of see like the darkness to it. It would fit for Halloween as well. So this shade is called Nove Richie. And this is one shade. Okay, oh, this is pretty. I would pair this with like a brown if I wanted to do a accent nail. This shade is called Infinite Allure, and it's definitely alluring. So let's go with this pinky. Yes, I love shades of black, brown. This is kind of giving me a black brown with a gold, like a silver gold shimmer to it. Of course, consistency is smooth. This is one shade of this. Okay. So I'm gonna do a second coat on these, and then I'm gonna come back and do the last shade for you guys. I'm gonna just zoom through this part, so stay tuned for the elevator music. And I put top coat on this hand. I did do it off camera just because my top coat is not Orly brand. It's not that I do not like their top coat, it's just that I do not have their top coat. I only have their matte top coat, and I wanted to see the shimmer in these colors. So I will have to say this is the only color without any shimmer glitter effect in it. This is a nice solid color. This is a very pretty color. I believe that anyone of any age can rock this color for sure. I think that this might actually be my favorite color out of the collection just because it's timeless. Okay, I don't really know how I feel about these two. If I had to pick one of these two extremely glitter collections, it would definitely be this one. I don't know why, but I know for the middle finger color, which is called Untouchable Decadence, I needed 3 coats of that. Don't get me wrong, these are both pretty, but I'm just so light that this one doesn't really complement my skin tone to me. This green one is so pretty. It just reminds me of like a witch's brew, or like a Christmas as well. But since Halloween is right around the corner, I'm gonna go with more so Halloween. And this is just pretty as well. I will actually wear this more so every day, you know, compared to this. I feel like this is more stunning, you know, more eye-catching, more alluring than this color is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Cuticle Oil Drops. These are the Argan Oil Cuticle Drops, premium cuticle care according to Orly. Okay, so the dropper is at an angle, so that's just something to note. The dropper is at an angle unless mine is, you know, but it smells extremely well. Just one drop, one drop, one drop, one drop, bam. Let's go ahead. I usually actually use a brush to put my cuticle oil on. I just use a generic brush like this and spread the oil around. Just to get those, you know, dry edges that we couldn't get, you know, from sanitizing our hands before getting started. And this smells so good. It's not overpowering. It's not just extreme fragrance, but it seems like it. So, you know, that oil looks like you just got a fresh mani. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this picture, and I'm gonna do the last shade for you guys. I'm going in with the last shade of this Metropolis collection from Orly. This shade is called In the Moonlight. It's a very pretty shimmery black gray color. I do have base coat on my thumb, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on 2 layers. Okay, so this is somewhat one shade. I had to go back and hit the side of my finger because I didn't get it the first time. But this is definitely pretty. If you just wanted one shimmer coat, you could. It's very opaque with only one coat. But I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a second and then go ahead and apply a second coat. So this is what two coats look like. You can no longer see the nail bed. Very pretty, very mysterious. So I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit and go ahead and apply the top coat in cuticle oil. So this is the thumb. This is the shade In the Moonlight with two coats, a top coat as well. Here we go. These are the 6 colors this month. Which one is your favorite down below? This one is really growing on me here. This is my, you know, this one is just, I think I might be a little biased for liking this one because it doesn't have any shimmer to it, and I'm more of a low-key, you know, shimmerless person. But this one is like, bam, look at my hands. But here we go. Definitely different shades in this collection for sure. I feel like these two are similar, but hey. Always, thank you for watching Segments with SWATCHING. Follow my nail page, nailsXsibre, and my personal page as well, _SWATCHING. If you have any questions about nail tutorials, nail polish tutorials, if you want me to try out any nail polishes or, you know, try to do any designs, feel free to comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, slide in my DM. Hey, as always, stay safe, stay warm, wear your mask out in public, and have a great night.